everyone, Morgan here. So today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is sold out everywhere because of the coronavirus, okay? And so it's super easy to make your own hand sanitizer. What is in hand sanitizer? Alcohol, okay? The only difference between the rubbing alcohol back there and the alcohol used in most hand sanitizers, this is ethyl alcohol, and this is usually used in consumable products. So they use it in hand sanitizer because it's going on your hands and, you continue to do things, like eat and things like that. So they use ethyl instead of the iso. However, iso absorbs into the skin, and you would use this for first aid purposes, so it's okay to use iso for hand sanitizer. As you can see, most hand sanitizers, they have aloe with it. You can get straight aloe and mix it with the rubbing alcohol. So do 2/3 of the rubbing alcohol and then do another third of aloe vera. You need to get the aloe vera gel, not straight aloe, because straight aloe, like directly from the plant, will actually go bad after some time. So you actually do need the aloe gel that you can buy from any store. But if you don't have aloe, you can always get some essential oils like vitamin E. I've seen a lot of recipes that say you should add, or you could add essential oils to your hand sanitizer recipe. But, you don't have to. They're basically saying like citrus or peppermint or something to kind of make it smell better, but you don't have to, okay? So you put in some sort of spray bottle or something like this. So let me show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add... I actually right now do not have any aloe vera. However, I will be going to get aloe vera, but I have this vitamin E oil which will work like aloe vera would work. The main reason you're using aloe is to moisturize your hands and to keep them from cracking. But I really like witch hazel, so I'm going to go ahead and add this as well. Just to kind of dilute the alcohol a little bit. And because I don't have a lot of aloe, so I'm using the witch hazel to dilute a little bit. The witch hazel acts a lot like alcohol. It's an astringent. But let me go ahead and just add a little bit of this. With this vitamin E oil, you don't need a whole lot, but I am kind of going to go a little overboard just because the astringent and the rubbing alcohol together will really dry out your hands. So there you go. So, there you go. Shake it up. And you'll want to shake it every time before use. And spray, rub until dry, just like you would any hand sanitizer. There you go. My hands feel as moist as they would with the hand sanitizer and oil. No joke, because I added a lot of this vitamin E. I actually feel really good about my hands right now. It's not being dried out. That was great. So yeah, it's looking really good. Alternatively, you could also just get alcohol and then find some sort of cap to put on top and just spray away. All right, that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like my videos, I have a Patreon link down below. Thank y'all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. See y'all later. Bye-bye.